at Magic Kingdom to do one thing and one thing only today, and that's to ride Tron for the very first time. So normally the lights are blue on this ride, but because of the new Eras movie, they are red, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like.
Light Cycle Run is a thrilling. DT West.
That was awesome. Definitely another amazing Disney ride to try.